Oh, look at Dad.
Friday night, something. You better not be recording that, mate. Come here. Welcome back to the Debuild Rebuild Part 8, where we get stuck back into it, hopefully get a few jobs done, and the goal is to hopefully get it to turn over. Righto, we'll go get our little helpers and see how we go. Well, I'd like to thank my mate Ditchy for hooking us up with a few bits and pieces to help us continue with the build. And here come the helpers. Ha! What's up, boys and girls? You excited? Yeah. Oi, have you started supporting Collingwood? Give us a smile. Give Uncle Andy a thumbs up. Yeah, boy. You got that around the right way, sweetie? Yeah. Righto, mount it up. What's going on here, buddy?
Put in the oil feed line.
Oil feed line, alright. Where's that go to?
The back of here.
The back of there, alright. Good work, good work. We'll leave the big fella with the alternator. Come on, get it under there. Tyre fitter. Do you know where to jack it up? Yeah. Good boy, under the diff there. How are you going out here? You getting that fan off for me? Whoa! Get under here. That's it. Okay. Watch out. Sit, roll in front of the car.
Oh my god, that's so hot.
And what are you putting under the car for, mate?
Because if that falls, you might get your head stuck.
You might get your head stuck, alright. Well, I'll give you a hand, alright?
Yeah.
So what are we doing under here, mate? Show the people.
We're going to pull off this and connect it back onto the fuel tank.
So we're going to reconnect the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Alright, give us a thumbs up. What a top job. Nice cleaned out radiator. Well done, sweetie. You're going to jump in the back of the Patrol and find some more parts, eh? Yeah. See if we can keep the big fella going. I think he's looking for an alternator belt, power steering belt, and a cooling fan. Grab that out for him. I'll give you a hand to get these boxes out. Hey, big fella! Got some more parts for you to fit.
Oh, great.
How you doing there, buddy?
Good.
You got two belts on. What about the aircon? All good. Hey, after you get that sorted, rip that off for us, the bonnet sound deadening, so we can throw that in the bin. Yep. I've got someone that can do this wiring for us. Where's me Sparky? We'll go find her. Have you got it all sorted out back here, mate?
No.
Why not? All right, let's get into it, eh? Take it out. See it, good boy. All tight?
Yep.
Good work, man. Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, fuel tanks reconnected. We'll be able to put some motion lotion in there. Cut those terminals off for me. Just chop them. Without chopping my finger off. Up here.
Ah.
Come on. There we go. Snip. Woohoo! Right.
Still hold on.
Yep. Where'd it go?
Down there.
Okay. So, get the strippers. Put it in there. You squeeze it. Make sure it's just the end. Go. Squeeze it together. That's it. And do it for the other ones. Go. That's it. Go again. Okay, what colour goes to what, you reckon?
Green to green, blue to blue.
Well, are you sure? It's only 2 wires.
Yeah.
Righto. So we've got to splice them together.
How do we do that?
So I'll show you how to do the first one. Heat the wire up. Okay. Use the solder. And it welds them together. Just like that. Okay. Your turn. You hold that. I'll help you. You hold the solder. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Come in. Heat the wire up. We're almost there. We're almost. There you go. Well done.
Ow, my knees are hurting.
Okay, last part. Put a bit of heat shrink over it. You know what heat shrink is?
No.
That's alright then. You watch.
Ooh, fire.
Okay. Join it up, seal it. Back and forth. Okay?
Yep.
Your turn.
I'm
Okay.
not on.
I'll put the heat shrink over it. Don't go burning Dad's bloody
I won't.
hairs off his hands. There you go. Got it?
Oh, that's hard.
Oh. Alright, hold on. One more bit. Make that nice and sealed up.
Does that hurt?
Oh, not for dads it doesn't. For little kids it does.
I'll be screaming like, ah!
Would ya?
Probably.
Right, there you go. Heat shrink that for us. Mate, what's going on here? Why won't that bottom hose fit?
Because it's the top hose.
You gave me the wrong one.
Yep.
Righto, time to fit the battery. We'll grab some battery terminals. Go check out our stockpile of demo derby stuff, mate. See what we can find.
Yep.
Okay, time has come. You good to go?
Yeah.
Smoke catcher. You ready to catch anything that comes out? Keymaster. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's connect it up. Righto, big fella. Turn it over, see what happens. First time. Turn it over. Waiting for you. Mobiliser's going. Okay, take 2. With the immobiliser letting us down, then the starter motor being faulty. We've lost our helpers due to a bit of boredom. We've thrown another second handy in there for now. I've bypassed it. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed or thumbs? And... Okay. Well, we'll work on that immobiliser, the fuel system, and go from there. Awesome work. We're going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video.
Like and subscribe.
Only if they feel like it. Righto, you going to kick it off? Dirty thumbs up, Corey? Yeah, boy. Catch us later. Take it easy.
Bye.